Namaste everybody. Hi there. I'm just going to do a short little video for you just to come into relaxation. So first of all, we're going to start off by lying down. So you can roll around, just getting nice and comfy. And then take a deep breath in, take both arms above your head, give your body a good stretch, just point and flex your feet, point and flex. And then bringing both knees now in towards your chest, just hug them in. Do a little rock from side to side. And then placing your feet along the floor, feet about as wide as your mat, arms out to the sides. And this is just very easy. Just going to let the knees drop over to the right and then over to the left. So these are a few of my favorite poses that I like to share with you. I do them often in my yoga classes. So just easing into it. Nothing strenuous, just gently moving the knees to the right and the knees to the left. And it's nice to take the feet nice and wide. It's about as wide as your mat. Okay, let's do one small over to the left. Well done. And bring those knees in towards your chest. Just hug them in. Do a little rock from side to side. Okay, and then take your left arm above your head, roll over to your left side, and slowly coming up. Okay, let's come up onto all fours. So I like to take the hands always a little further forward, and so the arms are at a nice angle. So we have that spine lengthening at all times. You're going to breathe and look up, belly down, and exhale, round the spine. Breathing in, looking up, and exhale, rounding the spine. Breathe in, look up, and exhale, round the spine. And let's do one more. Breathe in, looking up, exhale, rounding the spine. And just hold it here and breathe. Feel your spine arching, chin moving towards your chest, squeezing your glutes. Taking your knees now as wide as your mat, big toes touching. Draw your sitting bones towards your heels and bring your forehead down. And then you can bend your forearms. Now, if your forehead doesn't reach the floor, rest one forearm on top of the other and rest your forehead onto the forearms. Well done. And then slowly coming up. You sit on your heels. Remember, if this is uncomfortable, then bring your hands just in front of you. Okay, sometimes some of us can't get the sitting bones to the heels, which is fine. Just go gently. Okay, well done. And if you're there, you can slide your hands forward again and bring your forehead down to your mat. And just relax here. Slowly come up, and now we're going to lie on the belly. So this is another favorite of mine. Resting one forearm on top of the other, resting your forehead and just gently moving your hips from side to side. You want the feet relaxed, and it's just a gentle movement, just feeling your belly being massaged on your mat. So there's nothing strenuous. This has a calming and soothing effect to the body. It works with the vagus nerve. Okay, well done. Relaxing the body, just hold still. And slide your hands underneath your shoulders now. You're going to push up, coming up, taking your knees as wide as your mat, big toes touching. Rest one forearm on top of the other and resting your forehead onto the forearms. And slowly coming up. So you can sit cross-legged here, or you can sit on your heels if you prefer. And we're just going to bring the right hand, so your right hand, so it's opposite to me, right hand onto the crown of your head, left hand onto the heart. We're just going to take a deep breath in through your nose, deep sigh out your mouth. Breathe in, release, breathe in, and let it go. And just hold it here and be still. Well done, release. And then just notice how you feel. Always has a very calming and soothing effect on the body. Okay, well done. And now let's lie down on our mats. Bringing both knees in towards your chest. Just hug them in. Do a little rock from side to side. And then just straightening your legs along the floor. And just take your arms by your sides, palms facing up, and just letting your body relax here. Just noticing your in-breath and your out-breath. In-breath and out-breath. In-breath, out-breath. And just mentally saying to yourself, in-breath, out-breath. In-breath, out-breath. Okay, now on your next in breath, I want you to take both arms above your head. Just give your body a good stretch. Point and flex your feet. Point and flex them. Bring both knees in towards your chest. Just hug them in. Do a little rock from side to side. Taking your right arm above your head, roll over to your right side. And then slowly start to come up. Okay, just to seal it off, just take both hands behind your back. Take your left hand, clasp your right wrist. Breathe in. As you breathe out, folding forwards. Slowly coming up. Thank you so much. Namaste, everyone. And I hope that helped. So if you're feeling stressed, practice this. If you need some help to relax, use this. And I've got a whole lot of other videos on yogas to help you with your body, to help you relax, to re-unwind. And if you'd like to contribute or donate, there's a buy me a coffee in the comments below. There's a link which you can go onto if you wish. But remember, these are free. So if you want to contribute, you're welcome to. And thanks so much if you have. And thanks so much for joining me. Thank you. Namaste.